Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click, and in today's video I will show you how to Wi-Fi connection in PC in a very simple and easy way. I will guide you step by step so you can connect your computer to Wi-Fi without any confusion. Now let's get started. Step 1. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. This area is called the system tray, and it shows important system icons like battery, volume, and network status. It is located on the taskbar and helps you quickly access settings. This is important because the Wi-Fi option is controlled from here. Step 2, click on the network icon. It usually looks like a globe if you are not connected, or like radio wave bars if Wi-Fi is on. This icon allows you to manage all internet connections on your PC. Clicking it will open the Quick Network Settings panel. Step 3, click the arrow symbol next to the Wi-Fi icon to see the list of available networks. This will display all nearby Wi-Fi connections that your computer can detect. It is useful because you can choose the correct network from this list. Step 4. Select your network name from the list and click on Connect. If the network is secured, you will need to enter the Wi-Fi password correctly. This step is important because without the correct password, the connection will not be established. Step 5. Check the option that says Connect automatically before clicking Connect, so your PC will remember this network. This feature is helpful because it saves time and connects your computer to Wi-Fi automatically whenever it is in range. It makes future connections fast and convenient. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.